Good evening, folks. This is Sunday night, the 5th of April. And I just thought I'd update you on what I'm seeing in the pound dollar. And you can see what we were looking for. We see we completed this ABCD off the Brexit high back in 2016, just prior to the referendum vote. And we came down quite sharply after the leave vote. Good, decent rally. And then we started lower. You can see the CD leg has taken a lot longer in time to complete, hasn't it? It did complete the CD leg right down at point D down here. And in doing so, it did this 5-point expanding reverse wave, you can see quite clearly. And this blue line, this level of support, we supported on it once and twice, then we bounced, we came back supported on it again, twice more, and then finally broke through. But we didn't get any follow through. We quickly snapped back, as you can see. And now what we've done, if you measure from the point C high to the low, we hit the exact 50% last Friday. And since last Friday, you can see if we're going to a daily chart, you can see all it's done is gone into this sideways to lower corrective phase. I would say that's bullish, to be fair. With a big break lower, bounce back, and then not really pull back. What we're hoping for, to see a pullback, if you look onto the weekly, pullback into this blue line. This was very, very strong support, broke support, back above it. Love to see it come back to this 120 and test it one more time. It's still got a chance, it could still do that this coming week. This is the 4 hour. But if you look at this very closely, I'll zoom in a little bit on this, you can see we've completed another ABCD pattern on here. That might be all it does. Excuse me, I don't know what happened there. It has a few, just throw a few wobblers now and again. Let's try again. There's looking for an ABCD on this swing here. A, B, C, D there. And you can see we've just broke it. Now, what's also interesting on this chart, if you take the low that we made down here to the high, you'll see where the 382 comes in. And the 382 comes in at 120.70, somewhere that sort of range. And the 1.618 expansion of the AB leg also comes in that same zone, doesn't it? So it's possible we could still get down to this 121, or possibly even, if you look these old highs here, we've already looked at them. But they also formed resistance at this level, didn't they? If we just look at that, from these highs here, that's going to tie in with 50%. So it's still got a chance of getting there, you know. It is having a little fit of tantrums, isn't it? Try again. I probably extended it too far. I'll stop it. Yeah, so you can see that's a level. It were initial resistance. It is a point B of an A, B, C, D to the upside. Broke through it. It could well come back down and support down here, and that's the same level we're looking at on the weekly, isn't it? So this 120 area, that is on the 4 hour we're looking here. So this is the zone you're looking at, 382, 50%. That's what I'd like to see, and then I think that'll be a really good buy. And then you're looking for your A, B, C, D to the upside. Okay, so keep an eye on it. The fact that it's just gone sideways is quite bullish in my eyes. So, like I say, it's all probabilities, folks. So keep an eye on it. That's the pound dollar. I'll just update the Euro-CAD because we were looking at that last week as well, weren't we? So that's also went sideways for a bit. And in fact, let's do it now. Do it on one video. Just zoom up, find it, Euro-CAD. Here we are. Again, we were looking at this strong breakout. We're looking at the ABCD patterns. Just a reminder, we're looking at this ABCD to the upside. A potential move to 166. Well, I think we looked at the big ABCD off the low. That's coming from the low to the high. We looked at that one. That's going to bring in right in 165 area. It's also the 1.27 expansion it's this AB swing, isn't it? And then there's another ABCD we also looked at off this low, I believe, and that one comes in right there, right in the zone as well, doesn't it? Plus or minus a few pips. And when you see this strong move off your point C, if you like, and we've not really pulled back any sense. What we were looking for, I believe, well, we've done the 382, that might be all it does. If we come down to a smaller time frame, it's completed a Gartley pattern to this double bottom. We were looking for an ABCD off this high, if you recall, this one. We were looking for that. We're coming round about the 150 area, 150. But you see what it's done? It's completed a Gartley pattern off this point B low. So that would then become point X to point A to point B to point C, and you can see that is a Gartley. That might be all it does. You've got your 1.618 ratio, a double bottom. That might be all it does, but you've got to be prepared that it could drop another 200 points down to this area. That would complete this larger ABCD, and if you scroll back, that would complete a Gartley off this low as well, wouldn't it? So you'd look at a Gartley pattern off this low here, okay? That will be X to A, B, C, and that would come in there, right? That would be a perfect Gartley pattern off that, wouldn't it? So that's what I'm seeing in the Canadian. So you've potentially completed a Gartley now, and it has found support there. That might be all it does, folks. If that's all it does, then that sets up an ABCD off this, A, B, C, D. But just basically what we do is all you do is you look at the bigger picture, what we're looking at. So if it starts higher from here, that gives you a chance to complete these. If it starts higher from here, that A, B, C, D there is going to bring you into this same zone as well, isn't it? So that's what we're looking at. So keep a close eye on these two. They look good for a few pips in the bank on these if they work as we think. So hope you've enjoyed your weekend, folks. That's what I'm seeing in pound, dollar, euro, CAD. So take care, trade safely, and speak to you soon, folks. Bye for now.